Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use the Bing AI image creator powered by Dalio. I've been making a lot of these case studies so you can go ahead and see the results that we achieved in my other videos. We built cities in the future, we built businesses, we built products, prototypes for products. In today's example guys, I'm going to show you how you can create and ask image generator to generate a whole collection of a future sport brand. So if you're new to the whole Bing AI image creation situation, all you gotta do is to go on bing.com and create an account for Bing, and then you simply come over here on the image creator and you start exploring. For the people who are here for the first time guys, every image that you see over here has been generated with the prompts above. So when you essentially click on it, you will see what exactly the person created the image inputted as a prompt. So in this example for the robot, we have 1970s Psy robot portrait, studio light on emerald colored background. Okay, then you have a cute small forest zen wood tempo 3D game isometric. So what probably states in front of you is that a lot of people are using keywords and not always in a way in which they make sense, but they make sense for the algorithm to generate the image, to envision what you try to create. Because remember, all these images that you see over here are essentially a text. So for the AI to be able to convert text into an image, it has to have a very good description and explanation. So in our case here, I'm going to show you how I'm going to do that. Create a new futuristic brand for people who love sport. Use inspiration from Nike, in particular Nike Air Jordans high top. Also make the brand eco-friendly. Let's see. I'm very excited to see what he's gonna come up with. We're talking about new futuristic brand based on Nike Air Jordan style, and it's also eco-friendly. What kind of materials we're gonna come up with? Let's see. I want to make sure you check the previous videos guys. Amazing results we had. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at this guys. It does says Nike. I don't know why it says Nike, but it still looks cool. Looks very, very cool. So this one does not says Nike, so I think this could be used for sure. It's like a robotic AI out of the universe type of style. Yeah, it still says Nike, but I mean it looks so cool, right? Looks like a big city, like there's a forest on the side, you get the ocean. And that's not the earth guys, the earth is right over there with all the planes and stuff, right? Flying cars. I think this is so cool. If you really like reselling shoes, I think this is something that you probably will want to use. This is what I meant by saying guys, first of all, you gotta use as many details as possible. Second, you gotta comprehend yourself, your vision. I want you to make this, I want it to look like this, I want it to act like this, I want you to have this impact, and be made of this like eco-friendly stuff, right? This is why we see the plants and this and that. For more videos like this guys, subscribe and like this video.